Standing on a hard, bare floor for several hours, whether it's because you're cooking a time-intensive meal on the stove or meal prepping several ingredients at the counter, is not only exhausting, but it can cause strain to your lower body.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best anti-fatigue mats in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Sky Solutions Anti-Fatigue Mat. For a simple yet effective anti-fatigue mat, consider the Sky Mat. This reasonably priced option comes in 3 sizes and several colors, letting you choose the best fit for your kitchen. The anti-fatigue mat is 0.75 inches thick and made from the company's patented foam, which is described as the perfect blend of support and softness for standing all day. The mat has a beveled edge to prevent tripping, as well as a non-slip bottom. Further, the Sky Mat is designed to be durable and is easy to wipe clean if you spill anything on it. Our lab testers experimented with spilling flour and molasses on the mat and confirmed that it easily rinsed right off without issues. Number 2. GelPro New Life Biofoam Professional Anti-Fatigue Mat. If your anti-fatigue mat is going to get a lot of foot traffic, you need a super durable product like the GelPro New Life Biofoam Comfort Mat. It is more expensive than many other options, but it delivers in terms of both comfort and durability. This anti-fatigue mat has an abrasion and puncture-resistant surface to increase longevity. No matter how long our tester stood on it, her feet never sank to the floor. The mat also features beveled edges and a non-slip bottom, as well as reinforced no-curl edges, although our tester noted that the pronounced cushion could still cause tripping. Additionally, our testing showed it still attracted dirt rather easily. It is a bit firmer than other mats, but it still offers uncompromising support with nearly an inch of thickness. Number 3. Anti-Fatigue Mat Kitchen Floor Mat. At 0.9 inches, this mat is the thickest one in the roundup, and it certainly shows with its cushy comfort that brings instant relief to your tired feet. The polyurethane foam material and ergonomic design make this an incredible value of a kitchen essential. Whether you struggle with aching joints or simply want to feel like there's a cozy mattress under your feet while standing in the kitchen, this is the mat for you. Taking care of your cooking and cleaning tasks has never been more enjoyable with this affordable FEATOL pick. Our lab testers were impressed with how cushiony this mat felt, even after hours of standing on it. They felt no fatigue or soreness. Number 4. KANGAROO Original Anti-Fatigue Standing Mat. Your anti-fatigue mat doesn't have to be a boring black or brown. The KANGAROO Original Premium Anti-Fatigue Comfort Standing Mat comes in a variety of colors, including green, blue, and red, allowing you to choose a product that matches your decor perfectly and still provides the comfort you need. This highly rated mat is 0.75 inches thick and made from high-quality foam. It features beveled edges and a textured surface to ensure you don't trip or slip on it. The KANGAROO mat won't break down over time and can easily be vacuumed or wiped down if it gets dirty. Our lab testers did note that the raised diamond pattern on the mat made it a bit of a challenge to clean. Number 5. Amazon Basics Premium Anti-Fatigue Standing Comfort Mat. If you're going to use an anti-fatigue mat in your kitchen, it's important that you can easily wipe off any spills. This 20x 36-inch Amazon Basics mat has a stain and abrasion-resistant surface, making it far easier to clean than other mats we have tested. It ensures your mat will remain as good as new, despite being located in a spill-prone area. Testers appreciated how easily messes were able to be rinsed right off and didn't leave any stains or discoloration. It's low maintenance and uncomplicated to take care of. Its foam layer will conform to the contours of your feet as you stand. In our testing, however, we found that while it's easier to clean and offers good support for the price, its slick surface prevents it from staying in place. In addition, our testers observed that while the mat felt cushy enough, they didn't notice a drastic difference between it and the bare floor. However, they still preferred standing on it over the ground. That was our list of the top 5 best anti-fatigue mats just for you.